Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete likes on Facebook. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Doing this is really useful as over time you've probably gone and liked different things and now you want to go back and delete the likes and unlike them. If it was a recent post you liked, you can probably easily find it by searching or just on the home page, and you can tap the like button again to go and delete the like. However, if you want to go and see all the posts you've liked in one place, you can just follow these steps. First of all, go to the bottom right hand corner and click onto menu. Scroll down to settings and privacy and click on settings. Go and scroll down to activity and click onto activity log. Tap on your Facebook activity, comments and reactions, and finally click on likes and reactions. As you can see, these are the different things I've liked. I can easily start deleting my likes by selecting the ones I want to delete and finally click remove down here. So that's it. That is how to delete likes on Facebook. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.